Okay guys, today we will be talking about China in a box. And so what you need is a humidifier and a plastic container, and you see what you do is you take the container, you put it on top of the humidifier at maxed power. And then what you do is you wait a few seconds and boom, you got China in a box. And why this is important is because it is super helpful in life. So, and that is why you should do this, because it is very cool. It's better than X-Deck cool. So bye everyone.
Flex fans are the best fans in the whole wide world. Flex on.